Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I am with a Google Sheet demo where you have requested to have unmerge all the cells available on the tab, on a particular tab. Then we discussed and agreed on working on the current tab only. So you can see currently I have marked some of the, sorry, so I have marked some of the vertical and horizontal and um, 2D merged as well. So now I'm going to activate this code and show you how this one is working. So this will be working on the current tab only. And yep, let me show you. Okay, so this is the code here, and here you just need to click on this cell, unmerge all cells, and here you can see all the cells on this sheet have been unmerged. So yep, it's just a click, though it's a bit tricky. No direct method was available on for the app script and Google Sheet, not even on the research thing. So, but yeah, I managed to pull this off. So that is it. Please let me know if you need. Yeah, we can do that. The same thing for the whole sheet and for remote tabs as well. So that is it for my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.